Assalamu alaikum dear participants. This will be our 7th video on our ongoing crash course on current affairs. Trump's Middle East peace plan. Trump's Middle East peace plan was unveiled on January 28, 2020. This plan would discard a full-fledged Palestinian state to the Palestinians. Now, what is the Trump's Middle East peace plan? I will describe it in 3 major points. Number 1, it requires Israel to control Jerusalem as its capital. Number 2, it will not require the Israel to uproot its settlements in Gaza. And number 3 is the map that shows the current one and the proposed one. Now the question arises, what was the reaction of Palestinian leaders on this plan? President Mahmoud Abbas rejected the deal, terming it as the conspiracy deal unworthy of serious consideration, making the decades-long pursuit of so-called two-state solution a distant dream. American presidents, it was a sharp turn on the part of American leadership that gave a modest support to the two-state solution requiring Israel to its pre-1967 borders. Rather than viewing it as a serious blueprint, analysts are of the view that it is just a political document given by a president facing socio-economic crisis at home. Thank you.